This video is for Home Alliance. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. As I see on the website, you should make sure that on the website, on the homepage, is more than 1500 words with correct keywords and also pictures saved the correct way. So the second thing I want to talk is a citation. If we go to, for example, the Google, we can see over here like Google guaranteed ads. Then we can see normal ads here as we used to see. But now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, and it's 50-50. Somebody can see, some not. And then if you go here, it's a map pack. So what is the citation? Is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put in simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within they would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you're looking at your competition directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in. And you want to try and go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop it there. You want to add a little bit more. So that way you completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is the backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. As we can see, we can see here Yelp, we can see here expertise and home advisors here. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that send you a link and you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website is all about ice cream shop and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at your these tools over here, it's called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of those companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as I see here, you have 77 referring domains. That brings you 447 backlinks, which is you're getting found for their 400 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 96 people on average on your site each month. So let's see the competitors here. Just you can see the picture. See, they have 826 referring domains. That brings them more than 4,200 backlinks, which is getting them found for 7,800 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 18,000 people on average on their site each month. So it's all doable to boost these numbers, and we specialize in this. And so this is that's pretty much it what I had today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give us a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some backlink feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Thanks again and have a great day.